Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn predecessor and successor. Actually, it's very easy. There is nothing in maths which is easier than the predecessor and successor. But its name are only horrible. Okay. Now let's see what is predecessor. The number just before the given number is its predecessor. We subtract 1 from the number to get its predecessor. Okay, that means the number just before the given number. Predecessor क्या होता है? जो भी नंबर हमें दिया जाता है. Suppose I am giving you 18. Okay, I am giving you example 1. Okay, 18, and I am asking you what is the predecessor of 18. How you will going to find? You simply need to subtract 1 from it. Okay, 18 minus 1, what will be the answer? 8 minus 1 equal to 7, and 1 as it is, that is 17 is our answer. Now predecessor of 18 is 17. Let's take some more example. I'm giving you 19. Okay, I'm giving you 19 and I'm asking you what is the predecessor of 19. Let me write it again. Okay, I'm giving you example 2, that is 19. Okay, 9, what is the predecessor of 19? How we will going to find? Subtract, just simply subtract 1 from it. Okay, now 9 minus 1 equal to 8, and 9 as it is. That means the predecessor of 99 is 98. Okay, now see here, pre means पहले जो पहले आता है वो नंबर फाइंड करना है हमें. ओके, और अगर हमें पहले वाला नंबर फाइंड करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे? सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. ओके, सो इफ वी नीड टू फाइंड द प्रीडेसेसर, दैट टाइम व्हाट वी नीड टू डू? वी नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 फ्रॉम इट. सो प्रीडेसेसर minus 1. You just keep in your mind predecessor minus 1. Okay, now let's see what is successor. What is successor? The number just after the given number is its successor. We add 1 to number to get its successor. Okay, if I am giving you example 100. Okay, if I am asking you to find the successor of 100. Okay, now what is the successor of 100? We simply need to add 1 in 100 to find its successor. Now 100 plus 1 equal to what? 0 plus 1 equal to 1. 0 as it is. Okay, and 1 as it is. Now what is the successor of 100? 101. Okay, मीन्स अगर हमें सक्सेसर चाहिए तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? हमें 1 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. सक्सेस कब मिलती है हमें? हम जब मेहनत करते हैं तब हमें सक्सेस मिलती है. मीन्स पहले मेहनत करनी होती है और बाद में सक्सेस आती है. दैट मीन्स आफ्टर सक्सेस इज कमिंग. तो सक्सेसर मीन्स आफ्टर नंबर. सक्सेसर मीन्स आफ्टर नंबर. और आफ्टर बाद वाला नंबर हमें फाइंड करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? +1. ओके, वी विल ऐड 1 इन दैट number. To find the successor we are adding 1, and to find the predecessor we are subtracting 1. Now let's see some example. Now see this example. Okay, we need to find the predecessor of 1802. How we are going to find its predecessor? We simply need to subtract 1. Okay, pre means पहले वाला. So predecessor find करने के लिए हमें 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो 1802 minus 1 equal to what? 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, now 0 as it is, 8 as it is, 1 as it is. Okay, what we got? 1801. What is the predecessor of 1802? 1000. Our answer is 1801. Okay, the predecessor of 1802 is this. Now let's find the successor. Okay, how we are going to find the successor of it? We simply need to add 1 in it. Now let's find it. Plus. Okay. Now see here. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay. 0 as it is. 8 as it is. 1 as it is. So the successor of 1802 is this. Okay. 1803. What is our answer? We will write here. Okay. 1803. Okay. This is the successor of 1802. Now I hope it's clear to you. Now see what is the predecessor of 999. How we will going to find? To find the predecessor, we subtracting 1 from the given number. Okay. Now 999 minus 1. Okay. 999 minus 1. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1 equal to 8. 9 as it is. And this 9 is as it is. Okay. That means the predecessor of 999 is 998. Okay. We will write here then. The predecessor is 998. Done. Now let's find the successor of 999. To find the successor, what we are doing? We add 1 in given number. 999 plus 1. What will be the answer? Tell me now. Now let's find its successor. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. So we will write 0 instead of 10 and 1 will come as a carry. Now 9 plus 1 equal to 10. So we will write 0 instead of 10. Again 1 is coming as a carry. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Now we will write here 10. Okay. Now what is the successor of 999? The successor of 999 is 1000. Okay. We will write here now. The successor is 1000. I hope now it's clear to you. Okay. You just keep in your mind whenever you need to find the predecessor. Okay. Whenever you need to find the predecessor, that time what we need to do? We need to subtract 1. Okay. And when we are finding the successor, that time we are adding 1. जब हमें सक्सेसर फाइंड करना होता है तब हम ऐड करते हैं 1 और जब हमें प्रेडिसेसर फाइंड करना होता है तो हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं 1. ओके. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल फॉर मोर वीडियोज़.